Mastering the art of the English informal goodbye. See you later. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we're focusing on informal goodbyes. More specifically, we'll be diving into the usage of the phrase, "see you later." This common expression is key to sounding more natural and friendly in everyday English conversations. So, what does "see you later" mean? It's a friendly and informal way of saying goodbye. However, it's not typically used in a literal sense. That is, when we say, "see you later," we don't necessarily mean we'll see the person later that day or even soon. It's more of a general farewell expression that conveys a positive expectation of seeing the person again in the future. Now, let's talk about how to use "see you later" in conversation. Usually, this phrase is used at the end of a conversation as a farewell. You might say it when leaving a casual social gathering, saying goodbye to a friend after a coffee catch-up, or even when ending a phone call with a friend. Here's an example of how you might use it. "Friend, it was great catching up with you." "You, definitely. See you later." It's simple, friendly, and effective. There are several variations of "see you later" that you can also use to add some variety to your conversations. Some of these include "catch you later," "see you soon," "talk to you later." All of these phrases serve the same general purpose and are used in the same contexts as "see you later." And there you have it. By using the phrase, "see you later," and its variations, you can make your English conversations sound more natural and friendly. Remember, the key is to use it as a casual farewell, not a literal promise to see someone later. We hope you found this video helpful, and, as we've learned today, see you later.